even says. Snowing. It's snowing. It's snowing. It's snowing. Snowing, 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 snowing. This is Kimmy's house. This is their property. Hi! Let me come up closer and I'll catch it in the window. I'm going closer to see my granddaughter. There we go. Yep, that's my whole... Here we go. Hold on, here I come. Hi, Jordy! Stick your head in closer so I can see you. There you are. It's snowing, huh? It's snowing. And there's their Christmas tree. Well, 12 minutes. It's a reflection of what's behind me. Alrighty. But that's my girl. And it is snowing, folks. It is snowing. I'm just kind of walking towards the house. Got snow plows coming. Yes, we do. They're coming down the road. Here it comes. Snow plows. And he is plowing the snow. And this is my wreath. Merry Christmas. And there is the dog. There's the dog. Merry Christmas. And we'll do the door. Full door span. Alright. There we go. I suppose you don't really need this much, but this is my family. And it is snowing, 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 snowing. I don't know if we'll catch it on this, but they're plowing the road. Okay, I'm done.